Today we're going to work on removing this ring that we have around the toilet, which will start to form after many years. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to take a plunger and get some of the water out. So get a plunger and push it down so that you get the water out of the way. You just want to get it down enough so that it's away from the ring. Just a couple more plungers. That should be good enough. Now we've purchased this scouring stick from Lowe's. It's called the pumie scouring stick, and does a lot of great things. You can see it on the back side. This is what it looks like. There will be a little wrapper around it. You take that off. Then what you do is you just go ahead and take this pumice stone and just go ahead and start scraping around where the ring is. I tried a lot of different chemicals to try and get this off, but really this is the easiest way to get rid of that ring around the toilet. So you just go ahead and do that, scrape it all the way around until you remove that ring, and then you should be good to go. These are pretty cheap to buy, and it really does an amazing job clearing that ring off your toilet. And you can see it's doing a really great job. The good thing about this product is that there are no harmful chemicals. You don't have to worry about wearing a mask, and it really does a great job. Another great thing about using pumie is that it's safe on the porcelain. It just removes all the stain and the hardness, and when you're finished, all you need to do is flush the toilet, and all the debris will go down the bowl, and there you have it. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.